What is the quickest way to improve safety on the job? It's through watching the work happen. Every workplace has hazards, but a good safety observation helps catch and address them before they become accidents. Welcome to this Supply Chain Pros video. The job safety observation exercise is intended to be a passive observation of an employee simply doing a work-related task. It is through using a document and taking notes of the employee's observed actions that safety hazards can be identified and later spoken on with the employee. The goal is for the observer to understand the actions of the employee that have safety risk and speak with them to make sure that the risk does not turn into a legitimate safety accident. A documented safety observation is one of the most reliable tools for measuring workplace behavior, understanding the risks, and taking actions to prevent safety incidents from occurring. Job safety observations have a structured document to go along with them. The document provides guidance on the basic things to look for to a person who may be new to safety observations. The document also provides consistency across different employees and different observers, all performing the same tasks. Creating a job safety observation document should begin with the common safety hazards that you see at your job every day. Start with the 5 or 10 most recent accidents or incidents that have occurred at your job and use these to understand the safety principle that was the root cause of the accident. These 5 to 10 root causes will be a starting point for your job safety observation document. In the description of this video will be a text version of a basic job safety observation document that you can copy and paste into whatever word processing application you desire. This concept was introduced to me when I was responsible for a large department of many forklift operators in a large distribution center. I constructed my job safety observation document the same way as was described earlier in the video, and I tailored it to meet my department's specific safety risk needs. I highlighted many forklift safety principles, such as turning with elevated forks, blind intersection procedures, horn usage, and direction of travel. This Supply Chain Pros channel is filled with all sorts of safety content. Check out the other videos on the channel if you would like to learn more job-related safety content. A list of forklift safety principles will be displayed on the screen right now, so feel free to pause the video if you're looking for some ideas in this area. A packaging department would have a job safety observation document that is focused on pedestrian safety, the hazards associated with the department, such as blades used to cut cardboard or tape, any equipment or structures of the facility located within the packaging department, and safe material handling practices, such as lifting with your legs and not with your back. A list of ideas to get you started will be displayed on the screen right now, so feel free again to pause if you're looking for inspiration. There are many different positions that this can be applied to at your job. Some quick ideas that come to mind include a production machine operator, an over-the-road truck driver, the construction industry, an inventory clerk in a warehouse, a shipping container yard manager, or a mechanical technician. After the document has been created, it is time to begin observations. It is advised to notify the team members in a group setting ahead of time, explaining the purpose of the observation so that there are no misunderstandings when an employee notices that they are being followed and watched. The goal of the exercise is to observe the employee performing real work in the real work environment. When conducting an observation, stand at some distance away and simply watch and take notes of what the employee is observed doing. How are they interacting and navigating the hazards of the job? Are they cutting corners and ignoring safety rules, or are they respecting the safety procedures? Write down everything that is observed, the good, the bad, and the ugly. If observing an employee in a real work scenario is not possible, it is still possible to conduct a job safety observation with an employee simulating a future work environment they will encounter. In this scenario, present to the employee a situation and ask that they describe what it is they do to complete their job in the simulated scenario. Some employees will be very descriptive, while some will be less descriptive. Continue to highlight and take good notes of the employee's process. And be aware that the observer may need to insert questions to understand the employee's response to different hazards. The observer may need to drive the safety content in this testing scenario to see how the employee would react. Once the observation has been completed, the observer will want to take a moment to review the notes and results of the document before speaking with the employee. Using the job safety observation document, the observer should have a discussion with the employee to review what was seen during the observation. It is advised to go into this conversation from a neutral standpoint. Review and give credit to the good and safe things that were observed, as well as the bad or unsafe actions that occurred during the observation. As the unsafe actions are reviewed, focus on the health, safety, and consequences of the unsafe actions that were observed. Some employees simply need additional knowledge when it comes to safety best practices. Some employees simply need a little push of accountability to do what's right. Many employees will begin to work more safely when they begin being spoken to about their observed safety risks. Some employees require additional accountability that goes above and beyond a light conversation. These job safety observations can assist in the accountability process to change an employee's unsafe behavior. At the end of the day, job safety observations aren't about paperwork, they're about people. They're about taking a few minutes to understand how work actually happens, identifying the real risks employees face, and having meaningful conversations that prevent those risks from becoming injuries. A well-built job safety observation document gives structure. A well-run observation gives insight, but it's the discussion afterwards, the honest, neutral, and respectful conversation that creates real change. That's where employees learn, where accountability begins, and where safer habits are built. When we consistently observe work, document findings, and speak openly with our teams, we create a safer workplace one interaction at a time. So whether you're in a warehouse, on a construction site, in a packaging department, or running heavy equipment, this simple process can transform your safety culture at your job. If you found this information helpful, be sure to explore the other safety videos on the Supply Chain Pros channel. There's plenty more information to help you build safer teams, safer habits, and safer workplaces. If you found value in the content of this video, like and subscribe to the channel. This is your Supply Chain Pro, out.